Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to recover deleted posts even after 30 days on Instagram, today's video I'm going to show you if it's possible or not. First thing first, launch your application, get logged into your account. Tap three bar icon, and then you will see these page and these all options. In here, you will also see your activity, which will be under how you use Instagram. Tap onto it, and under removed and archived content, select recently deleted. This will be your post which you have recently deleted. This is Reels and this is Story. Now it says 30 days, meaning that there is only 30 days time limitation where you have to go ahead and restore the post, Reels, or Story. If you happen to cross those 30 days, you will not be able to recover any of your post. So guys, if in the future Instagram updates off with this feature where the time limitation is more than 30 days, we will surely make a video on that. But for today, there is only 30 days time limitation. And if you somehow happen to cross that limit, you will not be able to see your post.